Hello guys, welcome back with me and welcome back to my channel. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I want to tell you the news of cryptocurrency. So the title is Indian Police Search for BitConnect founder after the US indicted him for defrauding crypto investors. The Indian police have launched an investigation into BitConnect and booked its founder after a Bitcoin investor report being defrauded by the global crypto Ponzi scam. According to United States authorities, the scam reached a market capitalization of $3.4 billion. At its peak, the founder and his conspirators allegedly obtained about $2.4 billion from investors. BitConnect's founder warned by Indian police. The founder of BitConnect, one of the most famous fraudulent cryptocurrency investment scams, is warned by the Indian police in the city of Pune, Maharashtra, after the United States indicted him for defrauding investors. The Pune police launched a probe into the multi-crore crypto scam and booked its founder, Satish Kumbani, after a local lawyer lodged a first information report on Thursday. He also named six others involved in the scam. The lawyer stated in the FIR that he was defrauded for close to 202 bitcoins. The Indian police are now searching for accused, but no arrests have been made. They are also investigating whether the same people have defrauded more investors. Company, an Indian national, is already being investigated by the Federal Bureau of Investigation. The United States indicted him in February for his role as the founder of the fraudulent crypto scam, calling BitConnect a global Ponzi scam. The United States Department of Justice described BitConnect is an alleged fraudulent cryptocurrency investment platform that reached a peak market capitalization of $3.4 billion. The Justice Department explained that company 36 of Hemal, India, misled investors about BitConnect's lending program. They claimed that it used proprietary technology, namely the BitConnect trading bot and volatility software, to generate substantial profits and guaranteed returns by using investors' money to trade on volatility of cryptocurrency exchange market. The authority emphasized BitConnect operates as a Ponzi scam by paying earlier BitConnect investors with money from later investors. So guys, that's enough. Thank you for watching. Before you close this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.